Hello guys, I'm Dom back again with another video. So this video I want to show you how to make a 3D maps by combining using the 3D tile, Google tile from the Google Cloud to like download it and make an add-on. So here's like the add-on for Blender. It's called Blom's Blender Google 3D City, which is the OpenStreetMap, and it have a free version and also the charge one. But for me, I use the subscription one, the premium one, because I have a the better quality after you export it. So after that, just sign in your account and make a way through it, and we'll check out the other function that we'll need to make a 3D model. So after this, we'll go to GitHub website to download the import of the Google 3D City. Now here is like the website like most commonly for the Blender or any most of the software used. It's like the developer software website that they post all of their product or their research or their anything that they produce. They post it here to let us download and use it for free. So here we can see Google 3D tile key. So it's like the important thing before go to Blender and make the model. We actually need a Google 3D tile. So here, when you direct to this link, it will guide you to Google Map platform, and here is how it's come. It costs you around I'm not sure, maybe $50, but as long as you don't exceed the limit, it don't charge your money, but it require you to fill up all your bank information. For example, like they provide for you only have maybe 200 or 300 map per day or something like that. It's like as long as you not exceed the limit, you're not gonna charge. You're not gonna be charged. So let's back to Blender. Here's how you place all your file location of your add-on and everything that you wanna put your asset and everything. So after you install the add-on to the Blender, we'll have a look, double check to make sure that we have that add-on. For mine, I already did. So we'll go to preference. Let's go to yep. So after we done it, we back to click on your right here. You will see the add-on that you have had recently. It's called Blosm, BLOSM. So here you can see the coordinator that you copy from the Google and paste it here to make a map. So here you will see how I'll do it. So let's choose Australia, Melbourne, and I choose Botanic Garden to create a 3D maps. So after we finally like this area, just copy this number and you'll get this number and paste it here. So this, you choose like which one you want to use. This is like the final part for creating the map. Just choose that image overlay, and then just like Google 3D tile, not the image overlay. And then it will take for a while to get a map. And voila, it's take probably not more than 5 minutes. So here's the final look of our 3D map. It's not completely detailed that we can use in the 3D like 3D Max or Rhino, but at least you can have a look like 3D model. It's pretty cool in Blender, and you can edit and make it more detailed when you know how to use Blender. And just you can see you can change the different material and also the wire stuff to make it more detailed. So that is it for my video. Thank you.